Hey, Marlo.
Oh God, I'm so sorry. Oh, I tripped.
Hey, don't worry about it. Don't worry about it.
Okay?
Nah, you good. You
You
good,
okay?
Marlo. You good. You
You
good.
okay?
You want to see something funny?
Yeah, what's that?
Come here. Come here, Marlo.
Ah! Officers, help!
Why are you freaking out for, Marlo? Why are you freaking out for? Everything's fine.
Bitch. Get back, you little bitch. No, chill!
Kick your ass down the stairs.
That's it. Oh! Ah, what the?
Oh, God, I didn't mean to do that. Oh, God, I hit him. Bro, I hit him for real. This shit went clank. Oh, God. Oh, God, I got blood on me.
Dispatch 3-5. Come on, stop there. Why'd you do it?
We were playing. It was.
Hey, turn around. I'm gonna put you in cuffs or officer safe.
Okay. Oh my God.
Oh, wrong one.
Does that mean he's under arrest?
Oh no.
Oh, God. He was fine when I walked away. Oh, God. Oh,
Dispatch
my God.
735. I'm at the 911 at the courthouse. I have 195. I need EMS at the stairwell.
Oh, my God.
Carmine.
I want to press charges.
It's not what it looks like, I swear.
I want to
You
press
have the
charges.
right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in the court of law. You have the right to attorney if
Marlo,
present
we
and
can
available.
settle this out of
If
court.
you cannot
Marlo, we
afford
can
one,
settle this,
one will be
okay?
appointed you free of
You work
charge
for
by
the-
the state.
do you do
extend these
sanitation,
rights and read
Carmine?
them to you.
No, I have never done sanitation. Yes, I understand my rights.
Well, okay, Carmine, what happened? Why'd you knock this fella out?
We were
He said
goofing.
this is for the union, and then he hit me.
I don't even know who that is.
You fucking lying scumbag.
Carmine.
He knows I'm part of the company.
I don't know what the fuck that even is.
Oh my goodness! And you want to press charges?
Yeah, can you? Are
Okay,
you?
should
Are
we-
you
should
able
we
to?
Marlo,
Should we just go straight to the?
Marlo, we'll
Yeah,
talk
bring
about
me
it.
to the courtroom. It's fine.
We'll talk about it. Marlo, we'll talk about it.
All right,
We
come
can
on,
settle
let's
it.
go. Let's go to the other courtroom.
Carmine
Got
did
hit by a
this?
wrench.
Carmine screamed, "This is for the union," and then he hit me.
Right, Carmine, you stay right here.
That
You don't
asshole.
do nothing
He
but-
hit my wrench. He hit my wrench. I want to press charges. He assaulted he damaged my property.
There's so much
Carmine!
blood on your vest.
Yeah, what do you mean?
There is a lot.
Take a picture of him, please.
No.
Yeah, get
Carmine.
that for evidence, please.
Carmine, turn
It's
around.
over
it's
here.
my
This
it's,
is
it's
around.
my
Wait,
blood.
Carmine,
It's
he has
my
money for you,
blood.
Carmine.
Huh? You got money? Where? Where's
He
the
has
money?
money for
Where's
you.
the money? Where's the money? You got money? Where's the money?
All right, you got some broken
It's right there.
shit.
Look at it. See
Where?
it?
I'm looking. I
bleeding for
don't
you?
see the money.
Go.
Who are you taking pictures?
You do got a lot of blood on you, Mr. Carmine. It's like you
All right,
like,
well, I got the bleeding stopped. Let's get
bathed
you to
in
the
it.
hospital.
okay.
I'll get a medical report done up too.
All right,
Thank
thank you.
I swear to you,
Carmine.
he was fine. When I walked away, he was fine. We scoffed it off as it being an accident. I had no idea he was hurt that bad. He didn't indicate to me that he was hurt that bad.
Who just goofs around and hit someone?
We were just messing. We were joshing. He was running at me, going limp and stuff. I was running at him, going limp and stuff.
But Mr. Costello, have you ever thought that maybe your fists are made out of steel and you punched him so like you might be easy for you, but for him it's like like a truck.
It wasn't even that hard. It was like a love tap, and he walked away. He laughed right after. He fucking laughed. He giggled and walked away, and I was like, "You okay?" And then he said, "Yeah, he was okay." And then I left him, and next thing you know, I go back up there, and I see there's a cop standing over a fucking corpse. I had no idea. I swear.
Oh shit! Excuse me, I don't want to interrupt, but do you guys know where Miss Turkle's hearing is.
I don't know who Miss Turgle is, but there's probably right up there.
I know
Stairs.
where.
Where?
Same place you left your hairline.
Excuse me.
Carmine!
I don't have a fucking hairline, okay? You should be worried about your own because it looks like it's fucking receding. You might as well shave it all off.
Okay.
Ma'am, at least
Let's
I got
stop talking
one.
about people's hairlines, okay?
I look fucking good, okay? You wish you could pull this off.
Oh,
do like
Turgle
her
is going to
glasses.
prison too, by the way. You're never going to see her. She's going to the same place your hairline never came back from.
Listen here, fucking twig. Don't talk about my hair, okay? I am beautiful bald. You wish you could pull off the bald look. You can't even pull off fucking 2 strands of hair.
I could most definitely pull off a bald look. My cranium is beautiful and curvaceous.
Your fucking cranium is shaped like a peanut. Moron.
Your head is shaped like a...
Like a what, huh? Like a what?
Your head is shaped like my
Like
left
a what?
nut.
Huh?
Yeah, that one didn't hit. Sorry. You want to try again?
Your head is shaped like a... I know you are, but what am I, loser? Yeah.
Yeah, send him to prison. That's
I'm not
that's
going to
kind of
send a prison.
embarrassing.
I think we're going to go to bench trial real quick to see if Mr. Marlo's going to win a case for assault and battery. I think that's fair. Hey, stop!
Fucking loser.
Stop. He's not a loser.
What's the definition of assault and battery?
He is innocent till
Loser.
proven guilty.
What's the definition of assault and battery?
That fucking hairline.
Ma'am, I made fun of your hair one time.
Openly threatens
fucking
violence or injury upon an individual, either orally or through their action, and acts upon the threat.
Oh, then I'm good. I didn't do any of that. It was an accident.
Yeah, it looks like your fucking hairdresser assaulted you.
You gotta.
At least I have a hairdresser.
Accident.
At least I can go to the barber and not look like a fucking complete idiot. Huh?
Listen,
Yeah,
like I
exactly.
said, I don't need hair to look beautiful. If you need hair to look beautiful, that's on you.
Listen here. Okay, Mrs. Clean. Baldy locks, okay? With no locks, okay? With your fake ass jewelry and your whack ass glasses from the 80s. Ain't nobody care about you or your ugly leopard print fucking t-shirt.
Sir, I don't need anyone to care about me, okay? I don't need validation, all right, like you.
Thumb face.
But what are you doing to him, Bobby? What are you doing to Carmine?
Fucking
Something happened.
loser.
We might have to go to bench
Man,
trial.
screw you.
Do you want a lawyer?
You're going to prison!
No. What did he do, Bobby? You're my parole officer. Can't you tell me?
No, this is, for Mr. Carmine's
I'm his
privacy.
legal aid. No, I'm his legal aid.
Is this true?
Hell no.
Okay.
Hell no.
All right.
Carmine, just say yes.
Fuck no, Bobby.
Let's get you a
You
real
crazy,
lawyer.
Bobby? Why are you crazy?
We're gonna get you a lawyer for the bench trial to defend you from Mr. Marlo.
Oh.
What did he do?
I can't talk about it with you, Bobby Charles. That's Mr. Carmine's privacy.
Are you the one that got Marlo?
Is he the one who fucking hit Marlo?
I think we have to kill Bobby's revenge.
Did you hear what they
What?
just
What, did you just fucking hear that?
No, I didn't. What they say?
Oh, it was a joke. Okay. I'm
What'd
gonna
you
die
say?
now. I'm gonna
I
die.
didn't say anything.
I'm gonna get.
Okay.
No,
I'm going this way. I'm gonna
I'm
die.
not philosophical.
I gotta
but,
find
you
you
know
a
what I mean?
lawyer. You want a lawyer, right?
Can I talk to Marlo? I think we can settle this outside of this court. Outside of
Okay.
court.
All right.
There's,
I think he's
this
on
is
his
a
way back.
shabacle. This is not necessary.
I'm his legal aid. Bobby, he wants to plead guilty on every charge.
Is this true,
Yeah,
Mr.
he's
Costello?
No.
Evidence provided.
No, it's not true. Don't listen to
Bobby can live.
Bobby's bitch
Okay.
ass.
Yeah, Bobby.
I'm joking. No. Plead not guilty on every charge, Carmine. Take it to trial.
Yeah,
Never
like
mind,
I was
fuck
not gonna
Bobby.
do that.
Hey,
Those people are planning on killing Bobby, just so you know.
Wait, they were?
They're probably,
Hey, are you guys? Hey,
Yeah.
I need you guys to stop following us, okay?
We're literally just also leaving.
Okay.
Okay.
Please leave then.
Are we allowed to?
Yeah, get the fuck
Yeah.
out of here. Get the fuck
Shut
out
the
of here.
Shut the fuck up,
Get
Carmine.
the
you
fuck
pussy.
out of here, you
Carmine's
get the
going to
hell
Shut
out
up,
of
pussy.
here, you
Have fun in
schmuck.
prison, bitch.
So I'm allowed to pirate those movies? Is that a bail violation?
You know, I don't see anything in the Constitution, but that's at your own risk. Let me tell you, I'm nicer. Have you met your main parole officer yet?
Yeah, the guy who repeats things 2 times and it. Oh God, I fucking hate him.
He wants to bend you over and fuck you sideways. Let me tell you.
Well, no, he can't do it. You can only do that in prison, okay?
Okay, well he's
No,
about
you
to send
cannot
you to
do it in prison, Bobby. That is not socially acceptable behavior.
Have sex in prison?
No, you can't.
That's
No,
sex
I don't
in
think
prison.
you can. No, you can't. That's a violation of something. I don't think you can.
It's a
part of your
for
punishment.
having sex in prison?
Yeah, I think you gotta be celibate while you're locked up.
I'm pretty sure you can. I mean, me and Timo had sex like every day.
You keep bringing it up. I know. You've 100 times you told me.
Actually, every 30 minutes, I'd say. And unhealthy. You know, my wife never found out though. But Carmine, what if she does? She gonna want a divorce?
Bobby, this is what we talk about all the time. About his wife, him fucking Timo, him fucking freaking out about shit. Parole this, parole every day. That's what we talk about.
Carmine, did you have your prime years taken away from you from
What is
the
that?
government?
What do you mean
My prime
years?
years, Carmine. The years of my life that I'm never gonna get back. I spent inside Bolingbrook Penitentiary.
You look the exact same as you went in.
Okay, no, I don't. I have tattoos. Boom.
You didn't leave with that tattoos. You got that. You know he got.
No.
You know he got those tattoos after he left prison.
That's not true, Bobby.
It is. When he came out, he didn't look like that.
That's not
He
true,
didn't have a
Bobby.
single fucking tattoo on his face.
That's not true, Bobby.
The day after, he tells me to drive him over to the tattoo store so he can put on tattoos
Hold
because he
on,
went to prison.
I'm kind of confused. Are you trying to convince me or trying to convince yourself by saying that's not true, Bobby?
Yeah, no, I'm trying to convince you.
Oh, okay. You know,
No,
you
Bobby,
can't.
We're gonna be
What?
coworkers one day. Me, you, and Carmine.
You think so?
I know so, Bobby. I know so.
I don't know. I just
What do you
seen it came to some guy beat up and Mr. Carmine standing over him.
I was not standing over him. I was nowhere. I came after. He was already knocked out.
Well,
Yeah.
I guess that's for the courts to prove. I mean, I'm just a third party at this point.
I'm a witness. Yeah, I'm a witness.
Oh, you witnessed it? What happened?
Carmine was being a good Samaritan. That's what happened.
That's it?
Yeah.
Okay, what else happened?
Hey, all I remember is Carmine being a good Samaritan.
Did it?
Good
I did
Samaritan.
what needed doing.
Yeah.
Yeah, we got
It's
our
good
right
Samaritan, Bobby.
So are you really his legal aid?
No, he's not.
Yeah.
No, he's
I
not.
was-
No, he's not.
No, Carmine, let me cook. You remember all the times that I cooked up in the cells by myself?
No, you did. When?
The
That one
with the
time you told.
Zs,
That
the
one time
with
you
the Z.
told fucking Slacks why you committed terrorism. You remember that? You told. So I called Slacks and he listed out like the reason you did what you did. And I asked him how he knew that. He said you fucking told him, Bobby. You told him. Who does
That's not
that?
true.
Who
That's
does
not
that?
true. I had my lawyer at the time, Carmine, so my lawyer advised me to answer said questions.
Who was your lawyer?
Desmond Wright.
Okay, so your lawyer advised you to step into a noose.
Hey,
Great lawyer.
Carmine, I
guy.
didn't say why I did it. I was very
He
vague with
knows.
the details.
we might have a little bench
He
trial.
hinted at
between
the fact that you
Marlo
did it
and
for me.
Officer, I'm
Look
back.
what you did to this man.
I don't know if you're free for that.
Man, that's fucked up.
You won't get away
Okay.
with this.
So,
What the fuck
all
happened
right,
to your face?
I'll let them know.
You happened to my face,
He
Carmine.
did not look like that.
Carmine.
Yeah, not before you hit me and screamed for the union.
That looked like someone fucking went at you like a rabid
it's like
animal.
a-
You look fucked
so you
up.
admit it. You went at me like a rabid animal.
No, I did not.
Beat him up.
Okay, you two heard
He
that.
said that.
You
said
kicked
that.
me.
Call my lawyer. I got.
You
I
kicked
got
me,
a special
Marlo.
Oh, really? Where'd I kick you, huh?
My ass.
You have a lawyer?
Yeah, Mr. Ron can
Thanks.
help us.
All right, we got a bench trial. Come on.
He's probably not around today though. It's weekend.
You think so?
Mr.
Oh,
Marlo,
see.
you're here to
Yeah.
press
I was
charges,
sleeping,
right?
man.
Come on.
Yes, I am. I'm also including my taxi bill that I just had to pay to get back here.
Oh my god.
Carmine, I don't think that you're gonna beat this one.
What do you mean he attacked me first?
Dude, he
Did you
looks
hear
like
him,
got
officer? He
fucking
said he
stung by a
came
bunch
at
of
me like a
bumblebee.
rabid animal.
Also, you ladies, you have to, if you guys are going to tag along, you have to promise me that you're not going to kill Bobby Charles.
They're not gonna kill
Whatever
Bobby.
happens
okay?
to Bobby Charles is none of my business. I don't give a fuck
right.
about that man.
His safety is he's under my protection, okay?
Fair enough. Yeah.
Is that right? Protect me, Bobby.
You both are named Bobby.
He's evil.
There are
Bobby.
so many
Good
Bobbies.
I'm not evil, Bobby. Okay.
You have devil horns.
You know that. Yeah. Yeah.
What if you're left-handed?
Then you L with your left.
I want
Are
to
you
be.
trying to come attack me? Why are you trying to be behind me?
No,
Are you trying to sneak attack
this,
me?
This is my desk. It's higher up.
No, this is my side. That is
No.
your side.
This is my side. The desk is higher up.
Bobby.
The attackers have to go on the other side. With
Bobby,
the,
you need to do
yeah.
something about this. This guy's scaring me, Bobby.
What guy? There's nobody there.
Yeah, there's nobody there.
Oh,
Hold on, I gotta-
God damn it.
let me
This
finish
guy's
this
on
report
drugs.
for your bench report.
What was that? You need the doctor's thing?
Right, I see somebody over there with a gun.
Yeah.
He's fucking minute. I'm taking a picture of this, Carmine.
No, Bobby, come here. Come here. Bobby, come here.
He's here for you, Bobby.
What?
Bobby's hallucinating somebody on the truck.
Get him.
What?
Get him to pew pew pew. Get him to pew pew pew.
He's gone now. You think I can get him back?
I don't fucking know. But if
Hold
you
up,
can, get him to pew pew.
Oh, I got a plan, Carmine. Don't you worry.
I don't like that. Officer. Did you hear that?
It sounded very threatening. Time and
Look what you did to my face. I am an
That was pretty
influencer.
hot.
You know that? You know how much money you just fucked with?
Your face looks like a mule's asshole, okay? I didn't lose you no money. Relax.
Thanks to you.
Look in a mirror, Carmine. Jeez.
Polly was the only good Costello. And everyone been saying that.
Ooh.
What you say? What the fuck
Everyone
did you
been
say?
saying that.
Oh, what the fuck? Why are you here, Bobby?
Look at me. Oh yeah, no, we all been
Spectating.
asking that.
I believe Mr. Bobby Charles says he wants to be the legal representation of Mr. Carmine.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, yes.
Bobby,
right.
you're gonna give me a felony, please.
Carmine, I'm not going to say anything. I just want to sit up
Yeah,
here.
you're
You can do all the
fine.
talking, Carmine.
Fine.
Good luck, Carmine.
I
Good
don't
luck,
need
Carmine.
Let me talk with the prosecutor, Carmine.
to tell him I need my report. The report.
All right, Bobby.
Uh-huh.
But how about we chalk this up to disturbing the peace?
Okay, you want to do
You're
this for disturbing
funny.
the peace? Oh, hold on. Let me see. Let
want
me
the
talk
charge
to let
to be-
me talk to the victim.
All right, Carmine, you're going to plead guilty to disturbing the peace.
Advil.
No,
That's better than assault and battery. Okay, which one do you want?
No.
Assault and battery?
no,
Yeah.
no,
Carmine, you got to choose one.
no.
Right, you know how many assault and batteries I faced and got disturbing the peace? It's just what you do. You go up to the cop, you start cooking, and then disturbing the peace.
That shit is cool as hell.
Yeah, it is cool.
Ah, fuck! I need to hear what he
'Cause now
says.
he like, you know, I got
You think they should
You're
let
gonna have to-
terrorists inside a courtroom?
Vapor rub stick?
Huh?
Are you kidding me?
You know,
Yeah.
this all started
My
because you
vapo
pushed me down
stick?
the stairs.
Yeah, I vape. Pulls out Vapo stick.
See what
All
I
right.
mean?
Carmine, you
Everyone has
okay?
the report. Everyone has everything. Cool. We're good.
Charging me even in the court
Send
of
me,
law.
bro. Send me the report. Send me the report,
All right.
Bobby. Jesus, send me it, please.
Bench trial. This is the People v. Carmine Costello. Carmine, why don't you go ahead and step to the middle of the room for me, please?
Your
right-
Honor,
right here
I
before
can't,
me.
I can't do that.
Okay, fine. I'll talk to you from there. Carmine, you stand accused of 2 charges before this court. You stand accused of 1 count of disturbing the peace. How do you plead?
Not guilty.
Guilty to disturbing the peace, and then you also stand accused of 1 count of accomplice to assault and battery. How do you
No,
plead?
I said not guilty. I said not guilty, Your Honor.
Okay,
Who's
not.
the-
You change
Yeah,
that
who's
to
the
not guilty at this
accomplice?
point.
No,
How are you
not
the accomplice?
NOT.
Right.
Like nada. No bien. Zero.
Okay.
Zilch. 9. That's no in German, I think.
Okay, so not guilty to disturbing the peace. How about
Not
accomplice
gu-
to assault and
not-
battery?
Your
How do you plead?
Honor, Your Honor.
I said not guilty.
Okay.
Carmine,
And what's
not
the other
guilty
charge?
to
What's
disturbing the peace.
Uh-huh.
Accomplice to assault and battery. How do you plead?
Accomplice to who? Not guilty.
Your Honor-
Not guilty. Not guilty.
Your Honor, we
Not guilty. Continue. Keep going.
Okay, understood. Mr. Stanfield?
I'm
Who's
gonna
the guy
read
that's not the accomplice to the assault? Why is it
there is
accomplice?
there is none, which means that charge is gonna be thrown out.
I'm sure we'll hear about that as this case goes on.
Why are you asking, Bobby? Shut up, please. Don't ruin this.
Can I have all parties that are going to be testifying at this point in time please raise their left hand? Okay. Do you two swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth under the pains and penalties of perjury? So help you wayward.
did you say the pants and penalties?
Pains and penalties of
Oh,
perjury.
okay. Yeah.
So help you wayward.
So help me
Carmine?
God.
All right. If you call him a god, I mean, hey, that's all you. That's fine. I'll pass it along.
Medical report. There's a 911.
Officer Plumbin's prosecution goes first. Who's your first witness?
The victim.
All right, Marlo. Are you just going to tell me what happened, or do you want him to ask you questions about it?
I'm gonna ask both. I'm gonna do both. Tell what happened.
Both? All right.
Yeah.
Marlo, come on up here.
Oh, my leg.
Oh my God.
Oh, it's okay if I stand.
Yeah, you're fine.
Okay. Oh, God.
Go ahead and tell your story, and speak your truth when you're ready here.
Am I saying stories, or if is he asking me what's happening?
You can say, and then he'll ask if he needs to clarify.
I was at the courthouse for Turgle's appeal, and the people I was with, they got a call and they stepped outside to take it. I didn't know where they went, so I came down the stairs, and that's where I saw this man. This one here. He had there was just a look in his eyes when he saw me. He pulled out a wrench. He screamed for the union, and then he hit me in the head.
Is that
with
an
the wrench.
objection?
No, you
Come on,
can't
tell me
object.
what's
He's giving his testimony.
Objection!
No. You don't need to.
What's the objection? This is direct testimony, so there's barely any objections you can provide here, but go ahead.
Say false testimony.
False testimony. Perjury, Your Honor.
No, you don't get to do that. Now, you get to
Okay.
tell a counter story when Carmine there testifies, and then I get to decide, but that's not an objection.
Tried to escape. He left the stairwell. I felt woozy, and I was able to make a 911 call shortly before passing out. When I came to, Carmine was in the staircase as well as this officer. I was then taken to the hospital, where they were able to help me out. Both my arms were broken from falling down the stairs, and I had a fractured skull and some an injury to my leg. It's on the medical report, but I then had to take a taxi for about $100 to get back to the courthouse. And that's where this man said that he attacked me like a rabid dog. That's what my face looks like. That's the damage. I look pretty, like a nice, respectable man before this, but he said that I ran into his wrench, is what he said when he was in cuffs. So apparently that's what that's called.
Carmine, we're doing good. We're doing good, Carmine.
Yeah. Now here we are.
Mr. Marlo, can I ask you, is your face a great part of your job as a social media influencer?
Yeah. I mean, I have to make posts. I do, brand deals, and this is how I
Bobby,
make
give him
a living.
space.
And about how much money do you think you're losing out on because you can't do your job with your injuries?
I mean, it's hard to say. Like, brand deals range anywhere from, a few grand to tens to hundreds of thousands. It just really depends on, what campaigns are active at the time. But I'm not going to say that I had any, big campaigns active right now, but there were a few that were in the works that I'll have to, hold off on.
And your injuries, do you think that you'll be in pain for the rest of your life?
I mean, it's hard to say at this point. It's so early. I just know that, aside from when I'm doing social media work, I'm, working my 9 to 5 like an honest man down at the docks running grime, and with 2 broken arms, I don't know how I'm going to be able to carry packages anymore. So I'm really hoping I heal up soon.
So how long do you think you'll be out of work for?
Unfortunately, I'm not a doctor. I don't know how long it takes for broken arms to heal, but I'd assume at least for the foreseeable future.
How much does an average ground worker make per day?
It's about 2,500 per hour. Standard 8-hour shift. That's, I don't know. You can do the math. What's that like?
God
Do you
damn,
typically
Carmine, we
do
start
an
doing
8-hour
grind.
grind every day?
It's a 9 to 5, right? 9 to 5. That's about 8 hours. Yeah, I'd say so.
Okay. You don't think you'll be able to work with that with your 2 broken arms?
I don't think it would make.
Thank you so
it
much.
would not be smart for me to pick up packages with 2 broken arms.
All right. I got no other questions.
All right. Bobby
know,
Charles, floor is open for
If I let
cross-examination.
you go up there, don't fucking implicate me in anything.
What should I ask?
Oh, let me do it.
Get on up
I
here and
got a
start
few
asking
questions.
questions, Bobby.
Okay. My client will be asking most of the questions.
Oh, Mr. Costello, do you not trust your legal counsel?
Objection.
What's the objection?
It's none of your business.
Well, it is. You're in my damn courtroom. It is absolutely my business. Why is he?
Objection.
I pay my taxes. Objection.
This courtroom isn't
Overruled?
damned.
It absolutely is, especially when you're in it. Now, please proceed.
To answer the question, no, I don't trust you, Bobby. Let's continue.
Makes sense.
Mr.
Yeah, let's
Marlo
continue.
Stanfield, how's it going, buddy?
I've been better.
That head injury, huh? Does it hurt bad?
It does hurt. It hurts a lot.
So
Got me right on the brow.
Oh, okay. All right. So, explain to us again how it all started. The first encounter between you and allegedly me.
Well, we were in the casino of the Diamond.
No, not that far back. Nobody needs it. That's too much
Oh.
lore dump. I'm talking about
You said
this.
the first time we met.
No, Marlo, I mean this encounter. What led to allegedly what you claim happened to you.
Well, I woke up. I went
Excuse
to.
me. I would like to raise an objection.
Okay.
Asked and answered.
I would like
I would
to
like to
counter.
counter
rebuttal.
object.
The rebuttal is his answer is going to be different.
How do you know his answer is going to be different?
Because nobody asked him.
Your objection is going to be sustained. Now, if you have questions about the answer that he gave, Carmine, you can ask
Okay,
him specifically
reiterate the
about that.
answer that you gave to that alleged question.
Is that?
You're fine. Go ahead. Just appease him so that we can continue.
Yeah. So I was at the courthouse. We were there for
Where?
tribbles.
Courthouse is a big place, Mr. Marlo Stanfield.
3.
Okay.
We were in courtroom 3.
Is that where you ran into
And-
Carmine? Can I refer to
No.
myself in the third person?
He's scaring me. He's talking over me.
Why?
And talking
Okay,
loudly.
Carmine, are you going to allow him to answer? You're not.
No, I just don't want to
Letting him
seem
answer.
crazy. I don't want. I can I refer to myself in the third person? Can I do that?
You can, but can you allow him to say more than 3 words before asking a new question?
Well, it doesn't help that 2 of the 3 words are
really feel
usually
safe.
You know, it's not really saying much.
Yeah, I'm a little. You hit me with a wrench.
Your Honor, permission to treat the defense as hostile.
I
They're
am not-
inherently hostile because they're on the other side. They're a
He is
hostile.
inherently
Yeah!
hostile. You
Yeah,
are
we're
right.
hostile as shit. Yeah. Sorry, keep
Hey,
going.
you lash out like that again with that vulgarity in my courtroom.
Yeah.
I'll be giving
so-
you contempt.
You said damned. You said you used the
Yeah,
word
that-
damn.
Yeah, that one's in the Bible.
You know, you're right. Wait, shit isn't in the Bible?
Oh my
No.
god, he said it again.
No.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, sorry, Marlo. Continue.
What do you want me to? What are you asking again?
Answer. Reiterate the answer you gave.
He's asking where you were in the courthouse. Or
Yeah.
where you
I was
were at
in
City Hall.
courtroom 3 for Turtle's appeal. When the people I arrived with received a phone call and stepped outside. I went out to look for them, and I didn't know where they went, so I figured they may have went downstairs. That's when I entered the staircase and saw this man here with a look in his eyes before he struck me with a wrench and said, "For the Union."
Where you were allegedly struck. Which staircase in particular? There's a lot of stairs in this
It was
building.
the staircase leading from the 3rd floor to the 2nd floor outside of courtroom 3 to the right.
Oh, so the little windy one, right?
Correct, the elbow staircase.
And you don't recall running into Carmine prior to that?
A different day, maybe? Like, what do you mean?
Today.
Did I deliver something to you earlier? I was working earlier. Maybe you signed for a package.
Okay. And the Union. Do you know who the Union is or are?
I mean, there's plenty of unions. I don't know which one you were screaming about. No.
Do you know of a union that would probably want you heard?
No, I'm an honest living man. I just work for a living and try to mind my own business.
So, would you say you believe I'm in a union?
I'm not sure. I thought you were homeless. I didn't know you would have a job. But if you scream for the union, I'd assume you're doing it for them. Whether you work for them, I'm not too sure.
Do you ever recall me bringing up any union matters prior to this alleged encounter?
No, I try not to talk to you as much as possible.
So, you think you were just attacked with no unclear motive? For no reason, just crazy guy approached you screaming union. Is that what you're telling me you think happened?
When I came back from the hospital, you said it's because you were a rabid animal.
There's something that was added into evidence. Your medical report. It states that you had a fractured skull, both your arms are broken,
Yeah,
and your right leg's broken too.
yeah.
That's a lot of injuries. They gave you a
Yeah,
splint too, didn't they?
I fell down the stairs. Yeah, you hit me in the head, and I fell down the stairs.
How many sets of stairs do you think you fell down?
Sets of stairs or stairs themselves?
Stairs himself.
I'm not sure. I was pretty woozy after you hit me in the head with a wrench.
You think you black out? Everything go dark?
As I said, after you hit me in the head with a wrench and I fell down the stairs, I pulled out my phone and called the police shortly before passing out.
You called the police. You remember what you sent to the police?
Something along the lines of, "Help, Carmine hit me in the head with a wrench in the courthouse stairs."
And you're saying you felt woozy, right?
As one does with a head injury, yes.
I'm reading this report and seems very coherent. Like whoever typed this was probably sipping tea or something.
That would be a doctor. Maybe they were sipping tea. I did not write the report.
I'm talking about the correspondence you had with the police force. You sent them a text message that read.
No, I left a message on there, whatever. Sure.
Was it a text message or was it vocal?
No, it was not a text
You
message.
called
I
them.
called.
You
I called
them.
and screamed in pain and agony, yeah.
Matt, Your Honor, can I speak to you? Just a quick recess.
I know what you're getting at. I'm not going to sit here and debate the merits of whether calling 911 is a text message or a phone call.
I remember putting the phone up to my ear.
Okay.
Your Honor, I do want to say that Bobby said, "Don't worry, I have a plan," menacingly, and he's now left the courtroom. I don't feel safe.
You have nothing
that
to
should-
worry about.
That should be on the record. Although, also as a reminder, he is on bail currently, and if he's not signed in as a legal aid, he was just providing legal assistance.
You mean to beat him up?
No, charge him. I would assume.
No,
we got this old.
He wasn't providing me quote unquote legal assistance. He was just an
said
advisor.
He said he was gonna. That's not what. Okay.
He was
First
my
thing he said when I
advisor.
walked in here
He misspoke.
was,
He said he was the legal counsel.
he did say that.
I didn't take him on as my legal
Uh,
counsel.
Unauthorized practice of law. Well, that's even less unauthorized practice of law, and that's a misdemeanor.
He wasn't
that could send him
practicing
back to prison.
anything. He was just giving me advice as a friend.
Okay.
Yep. I got one more question for you, Marlo. How do you
Yes, sir.
feel right now?
Scared.
Oh my god. Bruh. Okay. That's all, Your Honor.
Okay. Marlo, you can step down.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh God.
You need help?
No,
Yeah, if you could. Yeah.
Grab on me.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, I think
now,
the cop
Officer
goes
Bobby
up now.
Clemens, do you plan on making a statement to this court, or do you have any evidence you'd like to highlight?
I do have some evidence to highlight. Is when I came there, I found Mr. Marlo on the ground, and Mr. Carmine wasn't there directly, but he came back up the stairs and he was covered in blood. And I got a picture of that, labeled as evidence number 1 in the report.
Can I cross-examine him on this?
He's highlighting the evidence of victim injuries. You'll have a chance. You're going to get a chance right now, Carmine. Once he says that the prosecution rests, you'll have a chance to speak freely. So does the prosecution rest, Officer Plumpins?
Yeah, I got nothing else.
All right, cool. Hey, Carmine. This is the part where it's your turn. You
Okay.
understand that by choosing to approach me and speak, you're waiving your rights against self-incrimination. You're opening yourself up to cross-examination by the
Officer, come here.
prosecution. And if you fail to answer the questions, your testimony is stricken from the record in its entirely. You understand?
Okay.
All right. Go on, speak your truth. Tell me what happened.
You want me to stand, can I stand here?
Wherever.
Okay.
You're good right there. You're good right there.
Your Honor, I was at the courthouse today, waiting to meet up with, the mayor about some legal matters. And, I ran into Mr. Marlo Stanfield at the entrance. You know, the big T-shaped stairs? I ran into him there, where he pushed me down the stairs and said it was an accident. Shoved me down the stairs and said it was an accident. And at the time, I did have a wrench in my hand. He fell down the stairs. I fell down the stairs. Just a little upset about it, but you know, he said it's an act. I'll let it be. And then me and him start to goof around. You know, he starts running at me, messing around a little bit. I start running at him, messing around a little bit. And then one thing leads to another, and he up the stairs. He runs towards me, and he falls on me in like a weird way again, and there was blood. And at the time, I didn't have my phone. It was taken from me. I left for a moment to look for medical services, and then I came back, and there was an officer there, and he was collapsed, and I was arrested. I didn't leave the area. I wanted to get him medical attention. What happened was an accident. There was no malicious intent. If anybody's at fault here, it's him for trying to tackle me. There was no mention of anything to do with the union. And, before I could get him any medical attention, I found myself in cuffs. And at no point did I make any attempt to resist cuffs. This is all a misunderstanding. For some reason, Marlo's going on a tangent that I did it for some union, which I know nothing of.
And what is the union? Carmine?
I don't fucking know what the union is, what a union is, but obviously he does.
Okay. I got some questions from the bench for you,
Wait,
actually.
there was
I'm-
there was one more thing. He mentioned
Okay.
something about being a sanitation worker. I believe the cop might have heard this too. Something to do with a sanitation worker. So if I had to take a gamble, I'd say it was a sanitation union thing.
Carmine, do you work sanitation?
I've never worked sanitation a day in my life. You can check my record.
Why would you have a record of
An employee
working
record.
sanitation?
Employee record, right?
No.
There's got to be some paper trail out
All
there.
right. Bobby Blembins, I'm going to let you cook here. Go ahead and ask him some questions, see if you can figure this one out.
Okay, Mr. Carmine, why did you have blood all over you?
Because Mr. Marlo Stanfield must have gashed his head on my wrench. I never struck him.
Okay. And you said you left and then came back to give medical aid?
No, I left to get medical so he could receive medical aid. I was gone for no more than, 5 seconds.
And then you came back?
When I left, he was on his feet, and then I came back and he was on the ground and you were there with him.
So you left while he was still on his feet, but you
Yes.
thought to get medical aid?
Yes, he was still on his feet.
Okay.
I remember telling you this when you put me in cuffs. I
I
told
know,
you.
this is for the record.
Okay.
All right. How did you plan to get EMS?
First passerby.
Trying to cook here. Man, Mr. Carmine here's got a silver tongue.
I got one from the bench. Hey, Carmine, why don't you fucking call 911 instead?
Or text him.
I was in the it was 5 seconds.
Can I ask questions?
So how come the victim?
No,
was
unfortunately,
able
you're a witness.
how come the victim was able to call 911, but faster than you could? Well, with a head injury.
You're gonna have to ask him that. When I left, he was on his feet. He was okay. There was a gash, and I wanted to get him EMS. And then I came back
Okay.
5 seconds later. He's on the ground, and you were there.
1 second, Your Honor.
Yeah, I said I had my phone taken, which was a lie, and I'm gonna have to play into that lie and say I had to go collect it at the front desk.
Mr. Costello, how come you didn't leave with Mr. Stanfield to get medical aid? If he tackled you, you would both need help, wouldn't you say?
He did tackle me, and it's my choice if I want to get medical attention for myself or not.
Oh my God! Let the record show that Carmine Costello skips medical.
Freedom
Please add that to
for
the record.
America.
So you were never injured.
I was hurt.
You were hurt.
I am hurt.
Oh God, he's back and he's on the phone. I don't like this, Your Honor.
Your Honor, I'm talking to a very important man right now about this case.
Okay, Mr.
And
Costello.
Why are you interrupting my case?
I'm the legal aid.
No,
you were
you're not.
Oh, you hear that?
Oh, don't. You're fucking
dismissed.
parole. Stop.
So did you hear that? What he just said he was though?
Yeah,
No, you're
as long
not.
as he's
They didn't
clocked
mean
in
that.
as a legal aid, he used the proper term.
Are you
Are
clocked
you
in?
clocked in?
Well, what's the charge? This isn't illegal.
So you believe
Is this
you were-
illegal?
It might be,
Hey, we're taking a
Mr.
court break so I can read some information to Bobby Charles here.
Oh my
Uh,
god.
Unauthorized practice of law, it's a misdemeanor. Quote, practices law without a proper bar certification, 5 months, $170. Now, that doesn't sound like a lot, but you're on parole. You're on bail.
Might be on
Parole
that would
doesn't
fuck
fuck
you up.
Misdemeanor doesn't fuck up your parole, right?
It would be up to the judge Hallow's decision.
Oh,
if it
cool.
would
Larry's
send me
upstairs.
to
I can
jail.
go ask him.
You can go ask him if you want.
I will after this. Don't worry. Anyway.
Would you
So-
like me
so
to
you're aware.
detain Mr. Charles for now? or
I'm
no?
gonna-
No,
just
no,
kidding.
no.
So you're just gonna.
He's good. Now, so why were you interpreting my court case, Bobby?
He prefer to use this time to run. If you want.
Yeah, you're on.
All right.
You'll need the head start.
Yeah. Do you need any further questions, sir, for Carmine here?
Well, yeah, I was about to get to something. Okay.
Okay.
Mr. Costello, you said you didn't have your phone at the time?
When the accident happened, yes.
Uh-huh. And you said that you left and then came back and I apprehended you immediately, right?
Yeah, I left to get to find someone and get my phone.
Okay. So you got your phone right then?
Yes. Whoo!
All right.
Save!
How come you didn't call right then for EMS?
Because I was in cuffs right after.
So you got your phone.
I made my
But
way
you
straight to
didn't-
Marlo.
You went straight to Marlo instead of calling the EMS that you're going to get right away.
How was I going to tell the doctors what state he was in? I went back to check up on him, and then you were already there.
But you already thought, Mr. Costello, that it was dire enough that you needed to call EMS for him that you rushed to get your phone.
Which I was going to do, but I found myself in cuffs. Damn. Ooh.
Okay.
Saved. Oh my god, saved. I would have got
I got
perjury.
nothing else unless Mr.
Oh my
you
god,
want me to ask
Jesus,
anything
thank
else?
God, Bobby gave me a couple seconds to think of a solid lie. Saved me. Oh shit, I was actually worried there. I was like, fuck, he's gonna catch me out on the phone lie.
Okay. We got no further questions.
Oh my god, that would have been
All right.
raps, folks.
Carmine, anything you want to highlight in evidence?
Yes, I would like to highlight the fact that there was no malicious intent behind any of my actions today. It was playful banter between two people that were just joshing around. For some reason, Marlo is changing his accounts of what happened, and I did not viciously beat that man, and I know nothing about no union, and if anything, he should be locked up for harming himself, because that's what he did.
Okay. You can step back. This is one of those. This is that time of the court case where I'd usually go back and deliberate. But I've made a decision.
I want to add one more thing.
Well, but he kind of gave you time.
What do you
want to
add?
Now you're just wasting his time.
I
That's
work
fine,
at
dude.
Mosley's.
What the fuck does that have to do with anything?
I work at Mosley's.
Is there a union there?
What does working at Mosley's have to do with anything?
I
Is
work
he
with
making a
wrenches.
vague- Is he making
You
a
work?
vague threat?
Does? Oh, hold on. Actually, I got a question on that. You work at Mosley's and you work with wrench. Why did you have a wrench at City Hall? Mosley's is 3 blocks down the road.
You never know when a car's broken down in your area. You know, you're always on call.
That's true. You never know when a car is broken down
You know
inside
how
of a
it
government
is.
building.
Yeah, hey, sometimes people take their bikes into government buildings.
Okay.
You never know.
I've reached a verdict.
Oh, please.
I've reached a verdict. You're going to be not guilty of disturbing the peace. I
Okay.
don't think that's the appropriate charge here.
An accomplice
That would
too.
infer that there was a verbal altercation and fight between the two individuals, and would inherently place some of the blame on Mr. Stanfield as well, given the nature of the interaction that was described here. I don't think that's particularly appropriate. Pertaining to the assault and battery, you went with accomplice. I don't know why you went with accomplice.
I thought it was the one for, like, you didn't see that you can't prove. I just saw that he was injured.
No,
up
but you've
there.
got a direct witness and victim that can attest to it that occurred here, right?
Okay.
And then you've also were able to confirm the information from Mr. Costello that there was an interaction here. He did confirm through testimony here that he did in fact have a wrench that he believes that Marlo, quote, fell into. That said, I'm looking at the photos, I'm looking at the evidence, and I'm looking at the medical report indicating that the individual was bludgeoned by a wrench. The nature of the injuries described, I don't think you would fracture your skull from a simple fall into a wrench.
He fell down the
Mr.
stairs
Costello,
too.
I will be finding you guilty of one count of assault and battery. It's going to be time served and a fine of $420. That is the ruling of this court.
I'm okay with that.
Wait,
Let's go,
can I
Judge.
take him to civil court now for damages?
Right, yeah, but not with me because I just heard the criminal case.
Hey, Carmine, you're staying here for I'm jamming you up for years.
You're
not
probably
jamming
not going to get a
nothing.
judge because the other ones are all
Don't
involved
worry,
in the
we'll
case
wait.
upstairs.
Your Honor, I have a question.
Yeah, what's up?
When we were discussing the crime in the hallway, you walked past us.
I didn't hear a goddamn word of what you had to say.
Are you
I was
trying
talking to
say that
Swan.
he's? Oh
Yes,
my
just-
God!
Listen, I'm not the
Alright,
judge.
here's
you
your
questioning
fine.
Just saying, who knows? You know, we do want the sanctity and the
You're
dare I say,
questioning-
I didn't
divinity of
see
this.
the
for a
act-
mistrial?
I didn't see the act occur. I saw you in handcuffs.
With me in cuffs, that's pretty incriminating, isn't it?
You were in cuffs when I got in here.
But maybe you formed human nature. I'm not saying anything. I'm just
Thank you so much for your time,
maybe this was
Your Honor.
maybe we just gotta
Alright,
go
we can
back
go.
to the scoreboard again. Give this another shot.
Following your logic here, Carmine, a cop could call me and say, "Hey, I've got a bench trial for Carmine Costello." That means, hey, Carmine got arrested. Oh God, he must have done something. That would argue that a bench trial
Did you
could
see
never
blood
happen
on
ever.
me?
Right now,
See
no.
blood on me? Okay. Well, all right.
In the photo that was provided, yes.
Okay. Well, that's. Thank you for presiding over this. I want you to know he did fall down the stairs. You know,
After you hit him with the wrench,
I didn't hit him with the wrench. I stand by that.
it's already over. It's been adjudicated. You can tell me the truth now.
I didn't hit him with the wrench. I'm telling you what happened. It's the truth. He slipped into my. We're
You got that
joshing
nervous
around.
laugh going on, Carmine. I've known you for 5 years.
I've
You've
learned
got that nervous laugh.
in 5 years. I've learned the best lies are usually the truth, which makes no sense. But everything I told you, 90% of it was the truth, including the part where he slipped.
So what about the
What about the 10%?
union?
That's not true. He made that shit up. That his whole
You-
everything he said
No,
was a lie.
I mean, what about you? And what about you working at Mosley's?
he
you
li-
actually work there?
Yeah, I do sometimes. But everything he went up and said that was a fucking lie. That's why he fucked me. If he said the truth, everything would have been so much smoother. But when you have a witness lying,
Who else was there with you?
it was just me and him. We were actually fucking around, and he fucked me. That son of a
Oh.
bitch fucked me after fucking
Oh.
around. That little
Well,
piece
at least
of shit.
it's just a fine, and you're not going to prison. Then it's only $400.
Yeah, that's why I'm not too. It's a misdemeanor, right?
Yeah, it's a misdemeanor.
I'll take it. I'll take it. War scars. Add it
I
to
thought
my
you were
record.
gonna win that case, Mr. Costello.
Hey, I need to tell you something, Bobby. After, I'm gonna tell him you almost had me.
This is after.
Appreciate your time, Mr. Judge.
Thank you, Bobby.
What's up?
You almost had me with the phone. Almost.
Yeah.
Almost.
Yep.
Thank God Bobby came in and stopped to get enough for me to fucking think. Oh, that was close. Actually had me worried.
Hey, I'm kind of glad Bobby Charles came too. That was kind of funny.
Yeah. 420.
All right, but you can let him know I'm not going to pursue him for the legal thing.
Yeah, he's worried.
Yeah,
I'll let him
you
know.
don't. Oh, hey, Mr. Costello, you know what? Why don't you scare him for? If you
I will.
want?
I'll tell him that. Oh my God, you're gonna get arrested. He was talking about throwing out a warrant. It's over for you, buddy.
All right, see you,
seven.
Mr. Costello.
Take care, Mr. Bobby.
Carmine?
Bobby, your parole officer's looking for you. You got a warrant, man.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do. You got a warrant for your arrest because you were pretending to be a legal aid.
What do you mean I was pretending to be a legal aid? You can legally do that.
No, but they checked you weren't signed in, and plus you have a pending felony too. Bobby, I don't know what to tell you, man.
I don't think you can pretend to be a legal aid.
I said that was.
I think you broke.
I didn't speak to the judge.
Don't kill me, Bobby. I'm just trying to exist here.
I'm not gonna go to I swear to fucking God.
Many,
What?
man. Are you in hiding yet? Let's get you in the
No,
sewers
Carmine,
before it's too late.
I'm not gonna get Carmine. I'm not gonna get locked up for this, Carmine.
I gotta get you in the sewers now, Bobby, or they're coming,
No.
dude.
Carmine, I'm not gonna get
This
locked
for
up
terrorism,
for this.
Bobby. They're gonna lock you up and take all your
Carmine,
money.
shut up.
Bobby,
Carmine,
oh my
shut
God,
the fuck
Bobby,
up.
dude, we can't.
Carmine?
You just come.
Carmine,
Let me
no,
stick you in the sewers, Bobby.
Carmine, are you listening?
I'm sorry, I'm panicking
Carmine,
right now, man.
Carmine, you're listening to me.
I'm listening.
I
I'm
didn't do
listening.
anything. I didn't do anything illegal, Carmine. I was your legal aid. As in, being a legal aid, Carmine, doesn't mean that I'm practicing law at all. I would have to claim that I was a lawyer to be
It's a
practicing law.
felony. It's a felony.
It's not it's a misdemeanor, Carmine. It's a misdemeanor.
No, he said whatever it was he was hitting you with is a felony. I think he said
No,
conspiracy
no.
or something, or defraud.
No,
He said it was fraud or something.
No.
He asked me, and I said I was going to give him some money.
Shush.
When he asked me, I said you told me to
Shush.
give you some money. So now you're trying to push fraud. And he said the warrant's already out, and they're going to try and apprehend you.
Carmine, the warrant's not out. I just talked to Bobby.
I'm getting a wrench so we can get you in the... I'm getting a crowbar so we can get you in the sewers.
Carmine, you want to know something, too? My judge has to approve me going back to prison. My judge is not going to fucking approve me being your legal aid.
Adam spoke to your judge.
No, he did not. No, he did not speak to
did.
my fucking judge.
He
Carmine, I'm
did.
fucking hanging up now. No, I'm tired of
Bobby,
this. Stop doing this. Oh, dude, if I get locked up for this.
When do I tell him, hey, buddy, I'm kidding, man. You're good. Don't worry about it.
Hey, Bobby.
Hey, Bobby. Hey, no running. Hey,
What?
you can't be pretending to be a lawyer. That's a misdemeanor.
I wasn't pretending to be a lawyer. I wasn't even pretending to be anything. I was saying that I was his legal representative.
Hey,
What?
we'll see. I gotta talk to the captains about that. That might be a misdemeanor.
You gonna talk to the captains about it?
Uh-huh.
I didn't
Well,
pretend to be a lawyer.
Did you hear that hammer all the way down here?
What?
I heard their hammer for the gavel all the way down here.
Pretending to be...
Yeah, you don't have a bar license. I gotta go talk to your main parole officer. You might be going back to jail, Bob.
I'm not going back to jail, Bobby. You talk to my judge. What?
I got a good idea. I just thought about it, and this is gonna work.
Shut up!
listen.
No, Carmine. How come you always say that I doom
Listen,
Carmine, but
just,
you're over?
just listen to me.
I'm not hiding. I'm
I
not
listen
hiding,
to you.
Carmine.
I listen to you. Listen to me. You don't have to hide. We gotta speed run this. We gotta speed run this pardon. Okay, we gotta get this pardon out the way so they can't arrest you and send you back to prison for
I
a
don't
crime
have a
you've been
warrant,
pardoned
Carmine.
for.
I don't have a warrant.
Bobby, it's a race against time. Either
And
this
you want to know
pardon
something,
goes
Carmine?
through, or you go to prison again.
Carmine, you want to know something too? If I do go to prison, it's your fault because you fucking said that you said that you was gonna pay me. So if I do go to prison, I hope that eases your. I hope you feel guilty for that, Carmine.
Why
if I
is
do
it
get
you
locked up
wanted to
again.
do it, Bobby? I told them that you said you were gonna pay me. I was gonna pay you $20,000, and they said that was grand larceny. I thought it was
You're
gonna be
fucking
a
with
way
me.
for us to get money. No, I was gonna use that to get more money out of my whole thing. My whole civil case for legal expenses. And now they listen. Just get Max and get him to pardon you right now before it's too late, man.
You call up Max.
He's not. He keeps hanging up.
Carmine, there is nothing.
Let me stick you in the sewers until Max picks up. Okay, I got the crowbar.
Carmine,
meet up. Let me stick you in the sewers, and everything's gonna
How'd
be
you
fine.
get crowbar?
I asked a couple friends I know.
I'm not gonna go in the
Let's put
sewers
you in
yet,
the
Carmine.
sewers. Let's put you.
I'm
You
not
just
going.
gotta pretend
Carmine,
to be a
I'm
little
not going
sewer
in there.
goblin for a little bit. It's not gonna be too long. Okay, you're just gonna be in the sewers for a little bit. Just eat sewer shit. This is what you get. This is on you. I'm not letting you.
doing this.
You have to, Bobby. Just think about it. Call me back in 2 minutes once you've unpacked everything. Okay.
I'm gonna talk to my judge first, Carmine. I'm not going in the fucking sewers.
Don't. He's gonna lie to you and he's gonna try and talk you into meeting up with him.
Carmine, there's no warrant for me.
I'm telling you, I
Carmine.
literally saw I heard Adams was there and the warrant got approved right in front of me. I'm not crazy.
Carmine, I just checked. I'm at the city hall and I just
Bobby.
checked. I just checked warrants.
You went to the city hall? Are you a crackhead?
I've been at the city hall this entire time. I'm on the phone right now in the city hall, Carmine.
Hide.
Carmine, I just talked to Bob.
Hello.
Could you do me a favor?
Yeah, I could do a flavor. What is it?
Could you call Bobby and say, hey, Bobby, where are you? Don't say anything. You don't have to lie and say there's a warrant out for your arrest. Just say, hey, Bobby, where are you? I want to talk to you. We got to meet up, okay? It's very important.
Okay.
Say, yeah, let's meet up, Bobby. Make sure, yeah, you look, come alone. I'll meet up or something. Or ask him where he is and see how he reacts. He's freaking out right now.
All right.
All right, bye.
Bye.
Shit brains.
Hey, you want to do something real funny?
What's that?
Hey, do you have Bobby Charles's number?
I do, I think.
All right. Give him. Okay. Mr. Carmine called us and he's in on it too. He's telling him that there's a warrant out for him he's gonna go back to jail. Just give him a call and just say, hey, where are you? You alone right now? Want to meet up? Just come alone.
Okay, yeah. Wait, what the hell? He just 311.
Yeah, he's nervous right now.
Yeah, why would he 311?
Because he thinks he's going back to jail
Yeah, but
for pretending to be a lawyer.
But why, hold on, but wouldn't he be running away? Because if he 311s, then we'll see him on our radar.
Well, he 100% goes to jail if he doesn't 311.
Oh my lord. Okay.
Gonna speed anyway, probably.
55. Yeah, we go way faster.
I just go 80 in the city.
Howdy, Bobby.
What?
Hey, what are you up to right now?
What am I up to?
I'm just saying, what are you up to right now?
Just walking. Why?
Just walking. You wanna meet up or anything like that?
Is it true?
Wait, is what true?
I was not pretending to be a lawyer. I was being Carmine's legal aid. That is not illegal. You're not locking me back up for that.
Wait, what? Hold on. You're telling me that you were pretending to be somebody's lawyer?
No, I was a legal aid. A legal aid. There's a big difference. Anybody can
Are
be
you
a legal aid.
Are you bar certified?
A legal aid doesn't have to be bar certified. A legal aid does not have to be bar certified. Anyone can be a legal aid. You do not have to be bar certified.
Don't you have to have a lawyer that takes responsibility for you as a legal aid?
It's not. Go on. You know what you're reaching for right now. It's not going to stand up. Okay.
Bobby, I ain't reaching.
What do you mean you're not reaching? You are reaching.
I'm gonna be honest. I'm receiving. This is falling in my damn lap. I didn't know. Yeah, I didn't even know you did that. What? Oh my lord!
I did not pretend. There was no lawyers around, and I said that I was gonna represent Carmine in court. When did the
Oh,
Bobby,
his
you're not
chat's
gonna lock me up.
trying to get him to lie.
I don't have to.
What do you mean you don't have to?
Are you ready for your parole check-in?
Hey, I've already checked in.
With who?
With Bobby.
Should I call him and ask him if you checked in?
I mean, you can check my latest 311. It says checking in, bozos.
Have you spoken with him yet?
Yeah. I've spoken with him.
Are you lying to me?
No, I'm not lying to you. Why would I lie to you? You know, before you charge me with anything, you have to speak to my judge, and he's currently in a bench
I
trial.
can't be here. You might see me.
Look. I didn't do nothing. But either way, all right, Bobby. Well, I'll talk to you later, I guess.
Well,
Maybe soon.
Why would you want to hang out?
I was just asking how you're doing.
Just asking how I was doing. That's it.
Mm-hmm.
No other ill will. Nothing at all.
I mean, ill will. I would never have ill will.
Why do you want me to get locked up again?
What do you mean, Bobby?
Why do you want me to get locked up?
I hate crime. We don't do crime.
I didn't commit a fucking crime. What are they trying to charge
Bobby,
me?
Bobby, you did terrorism. After I specifically told you not to.
Alleged terrorism. Alleged. Hold up, did you actually tell me not to do terrorism?
Yeah, I told you not to do terrorism, which is... I told you not to jaywalk, which leads to terrorism.
Are you gonna like use them on new cadets? You're gonna say jaywalking is a gateway crime?
I've literally been saying this for years. And finally somebody understands.
You're telling me I'm a prime example of how a jaywalking ticket turns into terrorism. I mean, it wasn't murder. What? I gotta hang up and talk to my attorney, okay?
Who's his attorney?
Okay, yeah, you go have a word with him.
Who's his attorney? Me? Who's he calling? He's calling the judge. Oh, the judge ain't gonna pick up, Bobby.
Xavier, I have a question. Is it illegal to be someone's legal aid?
Is it illegal to be someone's legal aid? No.
Am I getting fucked with right now? Adams is saying that he's gonna charge me with something with like practicing license without a bar because I was Carmine's legal aid.
If you give legal advice, yeah, you can't act. You can't act as a legal aid. You can't be somebody's lawyer. That's not how that works.
You can just give them legal advice.
You can give them advice as a non-attorney, yes, but you can't give them legal advice as a lawyer.
So I can just be in their courtroom and talk with them, and that's it.
Yeah, only in the case if a judge allows you, then you can represent them in court.
What's the definition of representing somebody? Somebody just got shot. Okay, what do you think?
Attorney?
I don't know. All I was doing was being Carmine's legal aid.
Did I get shot?
Carmine's not a lawyer, so you're not being his legal aid.
I was giving him legal advice.
Okay, then you're practicing law without a license.
Oh.
What is this fucked up state? What is this?
It's sinking in, guys. It's sinking in. It's sinking in.
So you're
Despair.
telling me there's no lawyers around.
Acceptance now.
There's
Despair.
tons of lawyers around right
They're
now.
all in one bench trial, and I helped Carmine, and I'm
not
gonna
in
get
a bench
arrested.
trial, and you didn't call me.
What do you think Halo's gonna say about this? I don't know if
Hal's
they're
gonna
gonna
say
actually
you're going back
charge
to
him.
prison.
No, he's not. It's
Okay.
his choice. It's his. I'm hanging up now. I'm tired of this. I'm hanging up.
Goodbye, Bob.
Oh shit. Okay, yeah. Thank you. I'll give you 150 tomorrow. Okay. Hey, Bobby, is that you? Bobby.
Carmine.
Shh. Please tell me you're
You
not
fucked
still at
me.
the courthouse.
You fucked me.
I'm
Why
trying
did you
to
say?
save you,
No,
Bobby.
no, Carmine, you're not trying to save me. You
What
want to
do
know
you
why they
mean?
think that I'm a lawyer? Because you're saying that I paid you. Carmine, if I go to jail, Carmine, you know this is all your fault. If I get locked up again.
But Bobby, if you're not gonna get locked up if you just listen to me, okay?
I'm not hiding, Carmine. I'm not running. I don't
We
trust
have to.
Max's
We have
party.
to
No,
go
I'm
into
not
the
running.
sewers. We have to.
I'm not running.
I just got a call from one of the cops asking me where the fuck you were. I asked them why they wanted to know where you were. They wouldn't tell me. Just
I'm not.
get away from the courthouse. Just get away from the courthouse.
Why did you? Carmine,
If
you know
they
this is
spot-
all your fault.
Just go to PD and fucking hand yourself in at this point. Then I guess I don't know what you want from me. I'm trying to help
This is
you.
all your fault. This is
I'm
all
trying to
your
help
fault,
you.
Carmine.
Just get out. Meet me at Grove Street. Meet me at Grove Street.
I'm not
Run
doing
over
that.
here. Just come. Just trust me. Okay?
You know how nitpicky this fucking state is? Mr. K was my legal aid one time. Let's see. Fucking Desmond Wright was my legal aid one time. You were my fucking legal aid one time in a fucking police department, but now I'm the one who's getting fucked? I'm the one who's getting fucked right now? Me? And every
Bobby,
legal aid...
I hate seeing you like this. It's... Bobby, just let me help you, okay?
No.
The spiral
No,
of
Carmine.
despair needs to stop. You're refusing help. You're just freaking out for You're freaking for good reason. Actually, you know what? This is the one time where you should be freaking out, in all honesty. Okay?
You told Adams that I would... You need to call up Adams and said that you lied.
you wanted to be, hey, you wanted to be my representative. I didn't know all this trouble was gonna come from it. You said you wanted it. I said yes. You know, you always demand things of me, and I always have to say yes. And I said yes to this, and this is another one of Bobby's plans going to shit.
I'm gonna hide in this elevator.
Don't do that. Just come to
And
Grove.
wait. No.
Come to Grove Street.
No. I'm gonna wait for my judge, and I'm gonna explain to my judge the situation, and he's gonna dictate my final fate.
Have you spoken to your
His name's-
lawyer?
His name Rami's not around. And I fucking hate Monroe with a passion, dude.
Who do you hate?
Monroe.
Who's that?
He's basically Timo's lawyer.
You don't like Monroe?
Mm-mm. Why are you laughing?
Because I know this time tomorrow you're gonna have a man bun on your head, locked up, talking about how you're fucking
I'm hanging
people.
up.
Wait. He stopped role playing. Oh God.
I swear to God, dude. If I get locked up, oh my. Holy fuck, dude.
Hey, motherfucker, hey.
No, come. I'm not hiding.
Are you stupid?
I did nothing wrong.
Listen, the cops are coming.
I did nothing wrong, Carmine.
Okay, let's talk. Just stop walking. Let's talk. Can we talk? Can we talk? Just come in the lift. Come in the lift. Let's talk.
No, Carmine. I'm gonna go in the elevator then.
Yeah, follow me. Let's go in the elevator. We'll talk.
What?
So, you're gonna live here?
Carmine.
Is this elevator your new home? How long do you plan on staying?
Why did you tell Adams that you was paying me 20 fucking... Call him up and say that you wasn't, Carmine.
I'm not. They're gonna give me perjury. I said it on the stand.
Oh, so what's worse, Carmine? Me getting locked up for fucking 1 to 30 years? Are you getting perjury, Carmine? Which perjury is expungable, by the way.
No, it's not. Perjury is not
Yes, it
expungable.
is. No, perjury is...
Buddy,
terrorism's not expungable.
buddy, you know what?
Terrorism's not expungable.
I'm not sinking because of your stupid choice. You did what you did. I didn't make you do it. Just trust me. Do you trust me? I've never fucked you over.
No, I
never.
don't trust you. Carmine.
Why don't you trust
You
me?
told the judge that I was paying you $20,000. That's why I'm getting fucked.
Because I wanted to make money. Well, none of this would have happened if you didn't commit terrorism. So, I don't know what you want.
You know,
did
perjury's
the terrorism.
expungable. Perjury's expungable, Carmine.
Why'd you commit terrorism?
It was attempted murder with conspiracy. It wasn't terrorism.
It's what every terrorist would say. You know, another thing they said they were going to use against you was the fact that you said something about call the terrorist hotline. And that
Alleged
it's for
terrorist.
you.
I said alleged. No, I said alleged
well,
terrorist.
Well, they
hotline.
didn't hear that. Just, Bobby, come with me. There's a staff room.
I'm not going with you.
Just come with me upstairs
Come
to
on,
the
I'm
staff
staying in
room.
this elevator.
Why? The cops, look, you think the cops are never going to find you in here? I'm going to tell them you're in here. I'm going to tell, if you don't listen to me now, I'm going to sink you. I'm not going to give you the privilege of
Carmine,
sinking
why don't
yourself.
you just call up the judge and said that you lied about the $20,000?
Just follow me. Just follow me. Be quiet. Just follow me. Trust me. We're going to go upstairs to the staff room. I'm going to show you something. There's a cool room. Bobby, just follow me. Come on.
You know, you're the reason that this has happened to me. You told the judge that I was gonna...
Are you yelling? Don't yell. Don't yell. Oh, this is not the right way.
You're the reason.
Over here.
I gotta check something.
Finally, someone defends it.
Come here. Follow me. We gotta run. I don't want anyone seeing.
You know, if I get locked up, Carmine, this is all
Bobby.
your fault.
I think Bobby got Cornwood involved.
I think Murphy's got a lot of pent up.
Okay, yeah, and I don't have a warrant, Carmine. I'm fine. My judge hasn't called me. My judge would have talked to me by now.
Get out on you there, Bert.
Yeah, would you like me to
Keep coming. Don't keep coming.
My judge is in there, by the way.
No. Here. Follow me. Follow me. It's a lift, guys.
I just don't think it's something we should be fucking with.
What's up, guys?
What up?
Hey, we need to use a lavatory. There's a bathroom up here. Bobby was never here. Bobby, keep coming.
What? No.
Parental adopting a child, correct?
Yeah.
So what would stop someone from saying, "Oh, we're brother and sister now, we're related"?
So what the fuck is wrong with Bobby? Come here, dude.
You don't need to go. No.
No. I'm just talking about people doing the same exact thing
Brick.
that you're trying to.
He's
curb,
got it.
but
I can't
it's
tell you. I
different.
can't. Come in here if you want to know,
What are you
Brick.
doing in the staff room?
Oh.
You guys aren't staff.
Listen, just let Bobby have this. This is the last flat screen TV he's gonna see
Carmine,
in a while.
no, I'm not doing this anymore,
No,
Carmine. I'm not.
Bobby.
What the hell?
Let me just show you.
What were you guys about
Bobby.
to do?
Territory with what that constitutes legally, I think.
What were you guys doing?
Like,
What the hell were you guys doing?
we can all that.
Son of a bitch. Yeah, you better run. You better run.
I'll tell you later.
I'm not getting locked up, Carmine. I'm not getting locked up. My judge is
Yes.
gonna talk.
Follow me, okay, into the staff room. I want to show you something that you can use to get out of this. Trust me. This cops.
Okay.
That's a cop. That's a cop. Get us.
And I'm not gonna get arrested, Carmine.
Welcome back.
Please, the staff room will be quick. We're not gonna cause a disturbance.
What
I
are you
promise.
doing in the staff room?
I want to show Bobby something. Bobby's been freaking out. He's going through some shit.
About grandkids.
Over here.
All right.
In here. What do you see here, Bobby? What do you see?
Overperform, arena wear edition, overpay.
That's your future. You're gonna have to overpay for your sins. Another thing you see is 4 walls. This is what prison's gonna be like if you fuck this up. I need you to break out of this. Do as I do, Bobby. Do as I do.
What is he doing?
Carmine, I'm not running away, Carmine.
Just do as
What is
I
he trying to do?
You'll see.
Are you trying
What
to break the
Bobby's
window?
gotta do. Bobby, just look at what I'm doing. Check out my form.
What is he doing?
Just give him a minute, okay? Usually takes a while. Oh. It worked.
Carmine, what?
Break through, Bobby. Break through.
What does that even lead to?
There are 4 cops in the lobby. Your only way out of the courthouse is through that window. Jump out the window, Bobby.
Carmine, I'm
You
trying.
gotta do it, Bobby. Or they're gonna get you, Bobby, and they're gonna throw you away for life. Brick did it.
Interesting.
Well done, Brick. You found the hidden room.
Very, very interesting.
What? This is canonical. When you jumped out the window, it makes sense. Because the window's
Yeah.
right.
Carmine, I'm
I
trying.
agree.
Yeah.
I agree.
Wait, give me a second. I'll call you back, Bobby. Hey, Brick. I need you. Brick, I need you. So,
What are you guys doing?
Bobby's freaking out. He thinks there's a warrant out for his terrorism parole, bail, or whatever. There isn't.
Uh-huh.
I'm just
Okay.
lying to him, fucking with him, because he fucks with me. And it's been going on for 30 minutes, and I'm having the time of my life. I want you to lean in on it, too. Say you saw a bunch of cops, and they asked you about him.
All right. Yeah, I'll go back there and I'll say that I can't be associated with him and stuff like that too. I'll be like, Bobby, I can't be seen with you because it gives me basically accomplice.
Yeah, tell him, like, Cornwood or someone's waiting for him downstairs. And tell him that you didn't
Okay.
say nothing.
All right.
Okay, take care.
I can't do it, Carmine. It's
Just
too
keep
much work.
trying. You have to.
I'm gonna literally
listen.
die if I keep trying. Carmine, I'm already like at
Brick-
half right now.
Brick is talking to the cops, and he's coming up there. You hear me? You know what that means, right?
Why is he talking to the police?
I don't fucking know. He's talking to the cops and he's coming up there.
Well, I'm already gone. I'm already in the lobby.
No, go upstairs. Go back to that staff room and jump out the window. Do what I did. And you'll see me.
Like, I'm already, like, almost outside Carmine.
What are you doing? You're terrible
Just
when
wait.
it comes to following orders.
Just wait. Just wait. I'll call you back.
Where the fuck is he hiding? Where is he hiding? Which lift is he hiding in?
There's a lot of ways we could trip people up and make a lot of money.
Sorry, go on.
I was thinking about. I was kind of thinking about.
FBI, open
I
up!
think it was Philippa who said, why stop at 1?
FBI, open up!
More money.
Well, yeah. Okay.
Open the door. Is
What we
that you,
can
Bobby?
do
Charles, you
is
in
we can
there?
Make kind of like a compounding charge.
Oh, it's the end of the line, buddy. You've used your last haul.
The second one.
You're going back to prison, buddy.
Fuck.
You know what I'm saying?
Oh my god. This is crazy money.
I'm just hiding in here.
How do you?
This is my new.
How do you
Look
feel?
at what I twatted, Carmine. Did that scare him? Look, Carmine. They're never gonna know.
We legally recognize marriages? I don't think we do, right?
Bobby, get up.
Not yet.
But you don't have tattoos in that picture, so. Bobby, get up. Come on. Stand up. Come on, stand up, Bobby.
Carmine, I don't know how to feel right now.
Just stand up.
This would also benefit from a legal
No,
definition of
no.
adoption.
Motherfucker, stand up, motherfucker.
We can include siblings and shit in that
I need to tell you
particular
something.
definition.
It's
For the
important.
purpose of the weird freaks that like to do this shit.
What?
And that'll help us cover our backs.
How
as
do you
well
feel?
when it comes to actually enforcing this law?
How I feel knowing that I might get locked up because of you. Painful.
Crime you can commit.
Do you feel like I've been helpful?
in the city right now? Good.
Not really.
Terrible fucking
I've been dooming like crazy, huh? I've just been adding on to your stress, right?
Guns like 30.
Hell yeah. That was me pretending to be you for 40 minutes, Bobby. Just feel good, doesn't it?
I mean, like.
Am I not going to jail?
Enacting.
No, you stupid motherfucker. You're not going to jail. I made it all up. It's all a lie. Nobody wants to arrest you. You're fucking good.
Like in the eyes of the state.
Okay.
So I can call up Cornwood? What?
Come here.
Who's involved in this?
Nobody.
The protection of
just you and me.
I'm ready to meet up, Cornwood.
Wrap up your homies almost. Like, you know what I'm saying?
Hug me, Bobby.
I think I've got all the authoritarianism jokes out of my system.
Oh shit, you're gonna walk in on that meeting.
I'm not doing that.
Why don't we?
I'm not walking in. I can't walk in.
Okay, no, then do it to me. I'll do it. I'll walk into the meeting.
You swear to God you will.
Yeah,
Well, we're
I'm
not
not
gonna see you actually. Hold up. Don't you like go translucent when you do it?
Is this why you were listening?
Yeah. So you tell me I'm not actually getting arrested?
Of adoption.
Like just because there's a lot of.
All right, just tell me the truth. Just tell me the truth.
What?
It's easy in
You're
conversation.
good. I was making it all up. You're such a bitch. You're such a coward. You fucking freaking out and shit.
Sure.
Yeah,
Alright, wish me luck.
Because there's a lot of variables involved, so I think it's probably better if we have something more concrete to go off of.
And you could even put it in that account.
The fuck is
I don't mind
this?
the idea. I just think we probably need something to review.
Yeah, no.
What the hell is?